Let's make some sparkling apple cider sangria. Hey Thirsty fam, welcome back, and if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. We cover all things bartending, from how-tos, cocktails, you name it, we got it. Join in. Now for the apple cider sangria, you can either serve this by the glass or in a pitcher, depending on how many people you got hanging around. Pitchers are great for the holidays. You can just whip up a batch and allow your guests to serve themselves. For the sparkling apple cider sangria, you're going to need some lemon juice, simple syrup, apple cider, sparkling wine, and a cinnamon whiskey. Any cinnamon whiskey will do. If you're in need of some liquor, be sure to check out Bottle Rover. You can get beer, wine, and liquor delivered to your door from bottlerover.com or download their app. In a pitcher, add a half cup of lemon juice, a half cup of simple syrup, 1 cup of apple cider, and 1 cup of cinnamon whiskey. Top it off with some sparkling wine and then add some apple slices, pomegranate seeds, cinnamon sticks, and rosemary sprigs. Give it a gentle stir and serve it up. Delicious.